Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove your SD card into your GoPro 9. So let's first open up the battery door on the side here. So you just have to pull it out and lift up your battery door or the battery door. Now right next to the battery is an SD card slot. So I'm just going to zoom it right in so you can see. So you can see right there is the batteries, not the battery, the SD card slot. So you just need to put your SD card in. So remember the metal contact is facing that way, right here, and you want to put it in that way. And then just be careful when you put it in, you put it in the right slot. You don't want to put it in between the battery and the SD card tray. You can see there's a small gap between the battery and the SD card, so you want to put it in the right slot. And then using your fingernail, you can just push down the SD card. Now alternatively, you can also pull out the battery and do it correctly. So here I have just successfully inserted the SD card. Okay, something is playing right now, and yes, I'm just gonna. Okay, that's it. So that's how you can insert the SD card. To remove it, all you have to do is just open the battery door. You need to push it down. So just push it down, and it should pop up, just like that. And then you just have to grab and take it out of the tray. And that's it. That's how you can insert or remove an SD card on your GoPro Hero 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.